Our read along this week is entitled Animal Sports Stars. Who is your favorite sports star? Can she run faster than a car? Can he lift 130 times his body weight? There are some athletes who can. They are a bit wild, though. Come and meet some amazing animal athletes. These animals have skills that are incredible. The skills are also crucial to the animal's survival. Without speed and strength, many of these animals would not be able to hunt or escape predators or survive in extreme temperatures. Cheetahs live on the African savanna. These spotted cats have long, thin bodies. Unlike most cats, their claws do not retract into their paws. When they run, they can grip the ground to get additional traction. All these features help make cheetahs the fastest animals on land. They can sprint for short distances up to 70 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car driving on a highway. The fastest human sprinters racing at top speeds of 25 miles per hour are sluggish in comparison. The peregrine falcon gets the title for the fastest air animal. Its horizontal flight speed is a remarkable 55 miles per hour. However, this animal gets its title because it can drop from out of the sky at speeds nearing 270 miles per hour. Its bullet-shaped body makes it as fast as a train. Now that you know the speediest land and air animals, let's take a look at the fastest water creature. Here, the sailfish is the champion. It has a torpedo-shaped body and strong fins to help it glide through the water. It can chase squid and other fish at speeds of 68 miles per hour. A marathon is a 26.2-mile human race. Many animals could overtake humans in this distance event because they migrate long distances to find food or climate protection. The winner of the animal marathon would be the gray whale. It swims an unprecedented 10,000 miles in a yearly trek from the Arctic to the warm Mexican waters and back. It's time for the jumping competitions. A red kangaroo can jump a 10-foot fence. That's a good height. But a flea can jump 13 inches. In light of its size, that distance is 130 times its length. A kangaroo would have to jump more than 600 feet in the air to equal that height. Which animal has the most strength? People often think the giant elephant is the strongest animal. An elephant can lift trees out of the ground with its trunk. Yet the star in the strength category is an insect, the rhinoceros beetle. Ounce for ounce, an elephant can lift only 25% of its body weight. The funny-looking beetle can lift over 850% of its body weight. Now that's heavy lifting.